How to log out TikTok account from other devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can log out your TikTok account from other devices. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. Now after you're on your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right. Now TikTok has a device management feature that allows you to log out your TikTok account which are in other devices from your own device. So to do that, tap on the three lines on the top right and go to settings and privacy. After you're on settings and privacy, you will see the account section right there. Tap on privacy. Tap on security and permissions, and after you're there, you will see under security there is manage devices. Tap on manage devices, and after you're there, you will see the devices which have your TikTok account logged into them. So here you'll see the delete icon right there, right besides your device. Now after you tap on remove, you'll get logged out on that device. And yeah, that is basically all for this video. That is how you log out TikTok account in other devices from your own. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.